distance from my campground in the Everglades National Park to Key West was 140 miles and took 3.5 hours. Riding on Route 1, the 113-mile stretch through the Keys will take you over 42 bridges and through several towns. This road is Florida's first all-American road. In 1905, construction began for the 160-mile Florida East Coast Railway and was finished in 1912, a railroad that connected Miami to Key West. The railway was used for 23 years until a hurricane in 1935 caused severe damage. The state of Florida bought the damaged railway, and instead of fixing it, they built a highway on it. With just under 7 miles of length, the 7-mile bridge is one of the world's longest segmental bridges and connects Knights Key in Marathon and Little Duck Key in the Lower Keys. In 2016, the old 7-mile bridge, which was used as a bike and walking path, shut down because it was in desperate need of repairs and reopened in 2022. Walk the bridge, pull into the parking lot near mile marker 47, just past Marathon. It is a small paved parking lot with limited spots. First discovered in the year 1513, Key West used to be called Bone Island. I'm on my way to see the southernmost point. It says it's closed, so we'll see if it's actually closed. My luck at this, so. While I was there, the area of the southernmost point was under construction, so the one you're seeing in this video is actually just a temporary spot. However, it is just around the corner from the original location. The southernmost point was obviously very busy. I am late in the day here, which is fine. It is still cool to see. I'm going to find a place to eat now. I really want a Cuban sandwich, because, you know, gotta have a Cuban when you're here. This quirky beach town has beautiful, colorful houses, is walkable, and has something new to see on every corner. A local recommended Sandy's Cafe for the best Cuban sandwich. It is a small corner building with a laundromat attached and limited outdoor seating. On the way back toward the mainland, I stopped at the 7-mile bridge again. It was way less crowded in the afternoon. Look at the color of the water, it is so beautiful.